Hello, my name is Michael Britton, and I'm a master sales consultant at Classic Lexus. In the year 2000, Lexus introduced the IS to North America. Fast forward 20 years, this is the all-new IS. Building on its heritage as a performance sports sedan, the 2021 IS is a mixture of bold styling, exhilarating performance, and welcome luxury. Compact headlamps, a wide grille, and a sloping hood emphasize its low center of gravity. Under the hood of this IS 350F Sport is a V6 3.5-liter engine producing 311 horsepower and providing a 0 to 60 time of 5.7 seconds. Plus, you get 26 miles per gallon on the highway and 19 in the city. With all that terrific engine under the hood, you are also getting an all-wheel drive platform that provides stable and confident handling in rain, snow, and blizzard-like conditions. There are plenty of safety features in the new IS that helps protect you and your passengers. One is the blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert, which now includes pedestrian detection and auto braking. Many times I've been parked, and on one or both sides of me is an SUV, a truck, a van, something very big limiting my visibility. As I put my car in reverse, the big vehicles are preventing me from seeing if a car or pedestrian is coming towards me. Now as I start to back out, if it picks up a vehicle or even a pedestrian, the system will alert me and the vehicle may even apply the brakes to mitigate a possible accident or collision. This is my favorite safety feature. The Lexus IS now offers the most advanced, standard, active safety equipment ever included in a Lexus. This is the Safety System Plus 2.5. I'm an avid cyclist. One of the new features of that system is detecting a bicyclist in daytime or a pedestrian in daytime or low light conditions. That technology is not only helping the driver, but also protecting cyclists and pedestrians. On the back of the Lexus IS, you can see the all-new solid illumination blade taillights. They wrap all the way around the rear of the vehicle, providing a modern, high-tech look. Inside the vehicle, you now have total connectivity. Guests are now given access to an expanding number of Apple, Android, and third-party apps. When connected, this will give you the ability to use Siri or the Google Assistant to play music, check your calendar, get sports scores, weather updates, or stock prices. Simply hold down the button and say, "Siri, what's my GE stock currently at?"
General Electric traded down 1.41% last Friday at $11.16.
Lexus has always had a passionate pursuit for perfection. In 2001, Lexus teamed up with someone who had a similar passion and devotion for audio excellence, and that was Mark Levinson. Today, he brings that exhilarating surround sound musical experience to every passenger in the IS. With an 1800 watt, 17 speaker, premier surround sound audio system, which includes a new amplifier and 2 more speakers than last year. With everything happening in 2020, including a global pandemic, Lexus has found many ways to help our guests experience amazing. They include a virtual walk around or personalized video, which can eliminate a trip to the dealership, at-home test drives, contactless deliveries, delivery specialists who walk you through every setting and feature on your new Lexus, and technology specialists who offer expert guidance and answer all your questions even after you take home your new Lexus. To find out more information on the Lexus IS, go to lexus.com or classiclexus.com. I'm Michael Britton. Thank you very much for watching.